Hey there, fellow pet parents. If you're planning a trip in 2025 and don't want to leave your furry friend behind, searching for a pet-friendly Airbnb is easier than ever. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process so you can find the perfect spot without any hassle. Let's get started. First things first, fire up the Airbnb website or app on your phone or computer. It's completely free and user-friendly, making it a breeze for travelers like you. Once you're logged in, type in your destination, whether it's a cozy beach town or a bustling city, and hit search. Now, here's where the magic happens. Look for the filters section, usually on the left side of the screen. Airbnb has rolled out some cool updates for 2025, including more detailed pet options. Click on More Filters and navigate to the Amenities or House Rules tab. You'll see a specific filter for Pets Allowed. Make sure to check that box. This will instantly show you listings where hosts welcome animals. But don't stop there. Dive deeper by checking for any pet-specific details in the listing description. Things like breed restrictions, size limits, or extra fees for pets are common, so read carefully to avoid surprises. Pro tip: sort results by rating or price to find the best deals. Once you've narrowed it down, read reviews from other pet owners. Look for comments about pet-friendly experiences, like easy access for walks or nearby parks. If something's unclear, contact the host directly through Airbnb. They're often happy to answer questions. Finally, when you find your ideal spot, go ahead and book it. Remember, availability can change quickly, especially in popular areas, so act fast. Traveling with pets in 2025 has never been simpler, thanks to these tools. Thanks for watching. If this helped you plan your next adventure, hit that like button and subscribe for more travel tips. Don't forget to share your pet travel stories in the comments below. Safe travels.